Operation demonstration of disposable circular stapler. This video is to show the basic operation information for you about the disposable circular stapler produced by Changzhou Xinyuan Medical Stapler Company Limited. For more information, please refer to specifications in the pack. Open the pack and take out the stapler. Rotate the adjusting nut counterclockwise until it stops. Pull out the staple cartridge and remove the protective cap. Rotate clockwise the adjusting nut once again until the core shaft retracts below the staple cartridge surface. After the purse is prepared, use a pair of special axle clamp to hold the anvil and put it in the purse. A lengthening handle may be selected from the accessories and inserted into anvil if the location of the purse is too deep. Place the anvil into the purse and tighten the purse with a nut. Finally, remove the lengthening handle. To demonstrate basic operation of the stapler, use a foaming tube for end-to-side anastomosis. Use the spindle forceps to place the anvil in the foaming tube. Tighten with a nut. Insert the head of the instrument in the stomach. Rotate counterclockwise the adjusting nut until it stops, and allow the core shaft to be exposed out of the stomach wall. Then connect the anvil with the spring tube. A clear sound indicates the connection is performed well. Then rotate the adjusting nut clockwise until the red safety is released automatically and a loud click sound is heard. In the meanwhile, the red pointer just enters into green area. Automatic release of the safety is an exclusive patent of our company. Keep rotating the adjusting nut until the pointer falls in the middle of the green area. Squeeze the movable handle to the bottom and release it after 20 to 30 seconds. Rotate the adjusting nut counterclockwise for 2 to 3 turns. Then swing the instrument body gently and draw slowly the instrument body. Check the anastomosis site and if the cutting pad inside the anvil is completely cut off and separated. If no, additional 1 circle of suture should be made manually around the anastomosis site. And if some points are found with minor bleeding, manual stitches should further be added.